Social media reaction to the horror of Will Smith slapping Chris Rock. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities.
Denzel Macbeth. Loved it! I love the part where it said, King Lear don't got nothing on me. Y'all gotta see it, it's really good. You know who's got the hardest job tonight? Javier Bardem and his wife are both nominated. Now, if she loses, he can't win. He is praying that Will Smith wins. Like, please, Lord. Jada, I love you. G.I. Jane 2, can't wait to see it. All right? that was a nice one. Okay. I'm out here. Richard. Oh, wow. Wow. Will Smith just smacked the shit out of me.
Name out your mouth.
Wow, dude.
Yeah.
It was a G.I. Jane joke.
Keep my wife's name out your mouth.
I'm going to, okay? Okay. That was a greatest night in the history of television. Okay. So we are here to give a documentary out, to give an Oscar out for Best Documentary. Now, the beauty of documentaries, because they make you, when you watch one, you feel smart. Like you watched them, like you read a book or something. But all you really did was get high and watch Netflix. So here we go.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. So the 2022 Oscar Award would be on the mind of everyone right now. However, it seems as if the slap of the Oscar has taken the glory, for this is the most talked about social media event right now that is trending all over. So Will Smith slapping Chris Rock at the Oscars provoked intense opinion online, especially from comedians who felt it was an assault on their art. The violent exchange began when Chris Rock took verbal aim at Jada Pinkett's shaved head, saying, "Jada, I love you. G.I. Jane 2, can't wait to see it. Alright?" Chris Rock reference was made from the 1997 film G.I. Jane, starring Demi Moore, who shaved her head to portray a fictional Navy SEAL candidate. Will Smith, her husband, walked onto the stage and took a swing at Rock with an open palm, generating a loud smack. Will Smith then walked back to his seat and shouted for Rock to leave Pinkett Smith alone. Rock replied that he was just making a G.I. Jane joke, and Smith yelled back at him a second time. Will Smith shouted at Chris Rock, "Keep my wife's name out your expletive mouth," and the crowd hushed as this became clear this was no act. Smith later won the Best Actor award. Rock chose not to file a police report. So as Will Smith slapped the Oscars out of Chris Rock, the top headline went around on social media and users were wondering whether or not this was actually a staged event. Will Smith then went on to win the Best Actor award for his role in the King Richard film. Now many people have been wondering, and there have been numerous speculation going online as it relates to why Will Smith would have done such a thing. But many people are also stating that this was uncalled for and that the joke was not that serious, based on the joke that Chris Rock made against Jada Pinkett at the Oscar award. Some people are of the opinion that this is actually coming from somewhere else and it's not based on the comments that Chris Rock made against Jada Pinkett at the Oscar award. So people have been weighing in on the whole entire situation and giving their own personal views in relation to this. But all I can say, I believe that this was uncalled for, and this just basically goes to show you why we as black people, we can't progress in certain things and we can't continue to be like this whenever you look on certain situation. This was just a mere joke, and when you look what it's escalate into, this just basically took the whole entire shine of the Oscar Awards, because this is actually now the most trending story, when other people would have been out there, they have worked so hard during numerous films and they would have looked for that highlight, and now Will Smith smack it all out in just 1 single second of the Oscar Award. This was what transformed the whole entire event. No one is talking about who won for best film or who won for nothing. It's all about the smack that Chris Rock got, and that is what has been trending online and social media. Many people are of the opinion that the Oscar should be taken back from Will Smith. Some people are of the opinion that Chris Rock should file a $200 million lawsuit. However, Chris Rock have stated that he will not be filing a lawsuit, and we have been reliably informed that Will Smith have made a public apology other than the one that was given at the Oscar Award, in which he did not apologize to Chris Rock for what he did. But in a recent post now, the organizers of the Oscar Award made a post, and I want to update you with that. To be clear, we condemn Mr. Smith's actions that transpired Sunday night. As outlined in our bylaw, the Academy's Board of Governors will now make a determination in an appropriate action for Mr. Smith as governed by the California law regarding members of non-profit organizations like the Academy, and set forth in our standards of conduct. This must follow an official process that will take a few weeks. We will continue to update you on any developments, but we also ask for you to respect your board academy staff and the process as it unfolds, so it can work in a considered way as it was intended and mandated. Please trust that the Board of Governors will conduct this process in a manner that is both expedite and respectful of all involved, while maintaining the standards of the Academy. Thank you. And this was a statement that was given from the CEO and also the president of the Oscar Award. But this what happened here is very sad, and it's an unfortunate situation that should have occurred, and this should not have happened, because remember, this was an event that was being streamed live across the world. Millions of people would have been tuning into this event, and when this unfolded, this just drew a whole entire concept of the Oscar Award, and people have been speculating, and it's just such a sad situation right now to see what people are actually saying about the whole entire situation. And this thing could have been even escalated beyond the point that a fight could have even broken out on stage. However, one have to commend Chris Rock for the way in which he handled the situation in such a professional manner, and he stood his ground and was still able to continue to name out the nominees for the Oscar Award. Not many people would have been able to carry on based on what transpired, because even in the video that is posted online and that is making rounds on social media, even Chris Rock himself, you can see that shock in his face. He did not expect this, and a number of people in the audience as well, they were very shocked based on what transpired. And even up to this point in time, you have many people who are still in disbelief based on what happened at the Oscar Award. But many people have been stating and bashing Will for what he did, and I can agree with them on that, because this was an unprovoked situation. He was just making a simple joke, and I know that Will Smith could have dealt with the situation in a more professional manner. It best he had to wait until it was off the air, then he might have had a talk with Chris Rock and stating that he did not like what had actually been said about his wife on stage. However, he took to the stage in front of millions of people watching, both online and actually in the audience as well. And he did something that no one expected. And now this is going to be the most talked about thing of the Oscar. He basically took the shine from the Oscars and those nominees and those that would have won their Oscar. No one is talking about the winners of the Oscar right now. Only thing that is being talked about is the slap that Chris Rock got, which should not have happened. Many people are saying that Will Smith need to be prosecuted. Some people are stating that he should be sued based on what he did, and this was an unprovoked situation. And also some people are of the opinion that the Oscars should be taken back from him, that he don't deserve it. So there's just so much thing going on right now as it relates to the whole entire situation as well, and people have just been weighing on the situation. But my personal own views, I don't support violence in no shape or form, and I believe that Will Smith should not have done that, and but that was just so uncalled for. He could have talked over the situation with Chris Rock, considering they are celebrities, and you know, people like these, Chris Rock is a comedian and he's gonna make his jokes, some of which you might not find funny at certain point in time, but dealing with a situation such as this in front of millions of people watching on live TV, I don't know if he wanted to have proved himself as if he was this type of upstanding person or what. I don't know what he was trying to achieve based on what he did, because at one point in time, if you're watching the video closely, Will Smith was laughing at the joke, and then all of a sudden when he looked at his wife's face and realized that his wife was not laughing at the joke that Chris Rock made, that's when he stood up and he went on the stage and did the unthinkable, which will be forever be one of the most epic moments of the Oscar Award of 2022, which is very sad. There were so many other good things that happened at the Oscar Awards, but this actually took the shine of the Oscar Awards, and this is what is actually trending online now, which is very sad. However, I just want you to drop it in the comment section, let me know how you feel about this story, but this is just a sad and unfortunate situation that should have occurred. This is where I'm going to leave this though. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Peace out and bless.